We'll also look at two different types of reflections, a reflection over the y-axis and a reflection over the x-axis. An easy way to visualize these is to imagine folding the graph along the axis and then imprinting the curve on the other side. So for example here, we have the curve y equals x minus 2 all squared. If I want to flip this over the y-axis, reflect it over the y-axis, that would result in something like this. But what happens to the equation? Well, here we've taken, all the y values have remained the same, but we've taken all of the x values and multiplied them by minus 1. So the input is multiplied by minus 1. So in this case, y equals minus x minus 2 squared. We can also reflect over the x-axis. That would result in this. Here, all of the x values are the same, but the y values have now been multiplied by minus 1. So we need to multiply the whole equation by minus 1. So in this case, y equals minus x minus 2 squared. So we can summarize the different transformations that we've done. So you can see here, a horizontal shift left by a, we add a to the input. A horizontal shift right by a, we subtract a from the input. Those are the first two, sort of just the opposite of each other. We can shift a graph up or down via a translation, a vertical translation. If we want to shift up by h, then we add h to the output. Or if we want to shift down by h, we subtract h from the output. To reflect over the y-axis, we multiply the input by minus 1. That's why it's minus x here. Or if we want to reflect over the x-axis, we multiply the output by minus 1. That's why the whole equation is minus x minus 2 squared here. Why not try the topic test on our learning platform? Here, you can answer a series of questions and get instant feedback on how you've done in a written solution format that explains exactly how to solve the problem.